1107. This is the key. Just swipe it and it opens. Once you make a left, this is the room. Another left, and this is the bathroom, which I love so much. This is the toilet. Then it has a stand-up shower, the his and her sink, and then a bathtub. We got the Ocean View. They also have ocean front, but we got the Ocean View Biltmore room. This is the view from the room, and this is actually our balcony, which you'll see. And we'll go out of the room. We're actually packing up to leave today. So it comes with the kitchenette. Pretty nice, actually. Excuse the decoration. It was my daughter's birthday, but this is the living room area and dining room area. All the TVs come with cable and with YouTube and internet access. So this is our balcony. There are, I think, two more rooms that way and one room this way. And you can see on the left that there's like a little, I guess it's a lake, but it's definitely not a part of the ocean. Then this is the pool, the main pool downstairs. And that's the infinity pool right there. It's pretty nice down there. And this is the view from the room. The water is so beautiful. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching.